Hello, I'm JP and I'm the CTO of Pipekit. At Pipekit, we provide professional services and product for Argo Workflows and data pipelines in general. Today, we're going to be talking about templates within Argo Workflows. What is a template? A template is the basic unit of work within Argo Workflows. There are two types of templates. There are work templates and orchestration templates. Work templates are single bits of work that do something on Kubernetes, specifically either running a container or creating, updating, deleting a Kubernetes resource, such as a deployment. For work templates, there are a couple types. There are container templates, there are script templates, and then there are resource templates. This is an example of a container template. So here we have a template that is called whalesay, and that is going to be pulling a Docker image, running a command, and then passing in these arguments into the command. Within the context of the workflow, we invoke this template by passing its name into the entry point. Now, let's think about how we can connect some of these templates together. And for that, we'll take a look at an orchestration template. So the next one we'll take a look at is an example of a DAG template. So this DAG takes a series of tasks which are invoking a container template that we talked about earlier and defining how we want them to run together. So we have our first node within the DAG, the A task. Then we have our second, B, which depends on A. Our third, C, which also depends on A. It doesn't depend on B. So that means these two, B and C, will run in parallel. And then lastly, D depends on both B and C, meaning both of them will need to complete before step D will run. And this will form a pattern that we see above. A runs first, then two steps in parallel, and then last a D step. So here we can see how orchestration steps can be used to chain together work templates. Finally, you might be familiar with what is a workflow template within Argo Workflows. A workflow template is an unfortunately confusing name for a workflow that lives on your cluster. So we'll take another look at one of those. Here is a workflow template. So as we can see, it is more or less just a workflow that contains a template or series of templates. The thing about these workflow templates is that they can be invoked by other workflows. You can also run them directly within your cluster, but their special ability is that they can be run by other workflows. And again, they contain templates with a small t, just like any other workflow. So hopefully this clears up some of the confusion about templates versus workflow templates, and also teaches a little bit about what are templates and how you can run them. I'm JP, and thanks for tuning in.